Okay, so today's the day that the ROG Xbox Ally and Xbox Ally X comes out. And this video is basically to show you Xbox dudes and anybody that's deciding to buy this handheld why you're not getting a Xbox. It is not an Xbox. It is a PC. It's a PC that you can do a play anywhere. And also currently right now, the only games you can play is games that you purchase on PC. If you have games that's actually inside your library that you own, you can't even play it because you have to have a subscription with Game Pass, or you have to have it on the cloud. Like I do, I have multiple games. I will upload another video showing my Xbox library of games that I own on my Xbox, like Dead Rising 3, Battlefield, Heartlands, all those games that I have like that. Rise, Son of Rome. I can't even access it on my freaking ROG Ally. Remember, this is supposed to be an Xbox. I should be able to play any game that I have already saved on my Xbox, put it over. Nothing. You can't do none of that. And I'm gonna show you right now. So let's just go to the big picture mode, which that'll be that. But I don't got that set up, so let's just do that. Click on that. Go home. We want to put it inside full screen mode, whatever you want to call it. No, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to put it as is, as you can see right there. There we go. Right there. Blah, 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 blah. Let's go to my library, okay? Let's go to my library right now. Here's all my Steam games, right? Let's go to Xbox owned games already. My games. Let's go towards own games, not installed. So here's my games that I own, which I have more games than this. I have a large library of Xbox games. Like I told you guys, I own multiple Xboxes. I did love Xbox at one time. I don't like them anymore. I stopped. But y'all guys want to call me a pony and all this, and when I'm actually a PC dude, okay? So all these games you see on here, I can't even play. Here's Rise, Son of Rome, right? I currently have this on my Xbox. Right there. Rise, Son of Rome. Right? You see that little cloud thing right there? Now it's supposed to be play anywhere, right? This is an Xbox first party. Why can't I play this on my ROG Ally X? So if I click on it, what does it say? I have to repurchase this. Let's just go to it real quick. Let's go here. Now I own this game. So why can't I play Rise, Son of Rome? A game that I own on the Xbox. And that's stalled on my Xbox. Sorry about that, guys. That's stalled on my Xbox. Explain to me why I can't play Rise, Son of Rome. If I go on my Xbox right now, I can play this game right now. But you know what games I can play? Here's another Xbox game right here, which is Rayman, right? I can't play that one either. I own Sunset Overdrive, right? I can't play that neither. If I click on it, it's going to tell me I have to go to the cloud or inside. I can't play none of these games. Let's do Tomb Raider. Let's click on it. I can install that because I own the PC version of this. So why? Gears 5, Gears 4. I own the PC version of this. So basically, I can only play games that... Another one, I own Forza. I own that one. So why can't I play the games? 360 games I definitely can't play because I have to do it through cloud. Subscribe. So this is supposed to be, this is an Xbox, right? I can play this, but I own this on Windows. I can play Gears 5 on here because I purchased a digital version of Gears 5 on Windows. Gears 4, I purchased a Windows version of Gears 4, right? But look at all my other Gears games. I can't play it. Look at that. What about the new Gears of War remastered, right? Where's my new Gears of War remastered? Where is it? It's not even in my library. Where is the new Gears? Okay, all right, a free to play own game, right? This one is through the Xbox One. I want you to see the difference. This is through the Xbox One. It's telling me I need Game Pass. I need cloud gaming, right? But if I go to this one, this is the one that I downloaded actually on PC. But I can play the PC version. So basically everything Microsoft sat up there and told you guys that play anywhere. As you can see right there, I can't play anywhere. Meaning, if you own a library on the Xbox itself, you cannot play none of your Xbox games on your ROG Ally X or your ROG Xbox Ally X. Microsoft basically just lied to you guys. And I'm showing you guys the fucking proof right here. Don't buy the ROG Xbox Ally. Don't buy the ROG Xbox Ally X. They're scamming you. You can, just to be able to play this, you got to play it through cloud because basically they want money. I'm showing you right here from facts like that. And also, before y'all sit up here and talk about, oh, but that's just this and this and this. Let's go inside and Game Pass. Let's go to Game Pass. It shows you all the Game Pass stuff. Let's take out all the own stuff, right? Take off this. Let's go towards install. Right? These are the ones that I can install. These are the ones that was downloaded via PC. Here's my Gears of War right here, reloaded, right there. This is PC games, right there. PC games. Let's go back up. Let's go towards cloud. Oh, I can play all the cloud games. I can play all the cloud games. As you can see right here, my Gears of War right here. I mean, my Tomb Raider right here shows cloud also. But I own this also. I own it on PC and I own it on Xbox. Now, I'm going to show you another video of me playing my entire library on my Xbox. And it's going to be in the same video, so stay tuned. Like I said, don't buy this crap. I have big picture mode on here, all that crap also, as you can see right there. Go back to Windows. Bada bing, bada boom. You want to go back here, hit home. Big picture mode right there. I'm not going to reset it. There we go. Straight from the bottom. No Windows stuff. I can open up all my stuff right here. So let's just do this real quick. Click on this. Oh, I want you guys to see something. I really want you guys to see something. So this is supposed to be so perfect, right? Let's run Silent Hill F, right? Watch what happens when I hit the button to go to Silent Hill F. Watch. Just wait for it. It just threw me in big picture mode for Steam. I would rather this, look, I would rather this, close this out, and now look, I got me a Steam OS on here. Now I got Steam OS. So now when I hit this thing, I got my Steam OS set up. Sorry about that. I get text messages all the time in the freaking morning. Sorry about that, guys. I get text messages all the time in the freaking morning. It's nothing new. But now look, I got Steam OS. I got Steam OS now. And big picture mode. So, let's put it to sleep real quick. Open it back up. Fingerprint. Bada bing, bada boom. Steam OS right there. Look at that. Using the Xbox full picture mode, close out of the Xbox full picture mode, and using Steam like this. Which is way better. Let's click on that. Click OK. Look at this. Way better. Way better. I just turned this to Steam OS. Look at that. is way better. Swipe up. Let's get out of the game real quick. Let's just hit X real quick. Let's go back into big picture mode. Boom. Love it. Love it. Just love it. Love it. Just love it. And check this out. Check this out. Let's hit that. Play Silent Hill bonus content. No, don't just do that. No. Just play the game. Just play the game. I can't see really what I'm saying. Do that. Don't ask again. Now I want you guys to see something real quick, all right? Swipe up. Let's get out of big picture mode. Throw that out. Still can play the game, right? Let's go out here. As you can see, right there. And what happens is it stays locked in because I'm in big picture mode. So let's try to get this out of big picture mode real quick. So let's swipe up. Let's go here to Steam. Bada bing, bada boom. Now we're out of big picture mode. I can leave it like this. Let's exit the game. I just want you guys to see exactly everything I can do, right? So now it goes back into this, right? If I want to get out of that, just cancel that back out. And it's going to throw me back into this. Know why? Because I don't have another app that's open. So if I go back into the regular one, so let's just do this real quick. Let's do Steam real quick. I'm going to leave that like that. Swipe up. Move over. Exit out of that. Boom. Now I can play my stuff like this inside this thing. Drop my library. Look at every game I own. Every game I own. Every game I own. Every game I own. I keep telling you guys, I'm a PC dude. I own hundreds of PC games. So now I can play like this or I can stay in big picture mode. If I don't want to do this, swipe up, go to Windows. If I want to, right? But let's stay inside this. We're going to exit this out real quick. So let's go back to here real quick. It's going to open that up. Anytime I hit that button, it's going to do that. I basically got it set up so I can go into big picture mode automatically once I hit that button. But let's just open this up real quick. The Xbox app. Okay, full mode. I'm not going to do that. Swipe up. I got buttons to actually do that. So let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of this right there. Let's get rid of Steam. Now I want you guys to see something. Now, if I open this up real quick. Play. It still has to open up Steam to play the damn game. Okay? I want you guys to see something else. So let's just get out of this real quick. Exit out the game, right? I need to go into Windows mode real quick. Let's go here. I want to close out Steam. Okay. So now watch what happens when I do this, right? If I don't have Steam open, this is what happens. Let's play it. It's still got to open up Steam. Let's just close Steam out real quick. Let's put this back in big picture mode. Okay. We're in big picture mode right there. We're out of Windows, right? Steam is closed completely out. Let's hit that real quick. Let's hit play. Watch what happens. Now, I'm going to show you something real quick. So let me turn this off automatically because I have this set up to automatically go into big picture mode anytime I play. So now the game is going to run. Let's close that out. Let's go out of here. I need to go into settings and big picture mode real quick. So I want to get out of big picture mode. I got to move it over real quick just so I can see what I'm doing. Interface. So we're going to take start big picture mode off automatically because that's how I basically had it set up that it runs automatically in the background when I got full screen mode on. So let's back out here, back out, hit that. Make sure everything else is closed out. Make sure that's closed. Okay. So now let's hit play. You see everything that has to go on just for me to be able to do everything. So let's just swipe it up again. Let's exit the game. Let's go to Windows. Let's fully close out Steam again. Okay, Steam is fully closed. Big picture mode again. Okay. Like that. As you can see right there, bada bing, bada boom. Let's hit Silent Hill F again. Let's hit play. I meant to exit that part out, but it doesn't matter. It has to load Steam, just so you can play Steam games. Like I said to you guys, don't buy this. It's terrible. I go back to Windows so I can close out that icon. And just for you to get back on here, go back here, go home, put it back in full screen, click on that. It's not worth it. Let me show you my Xbox on library real quick so you guys can stop bitching and complaining about everything I'm showing you guys. Because as you can see, this is not a freaking Xbox. I can't play my Xbox games. Games that I own. It's basically using this as an app to basically play it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna switch over to my other I'm gonna switch over to my TV and show you all my freaking Xbox games. All right, let's switch it over.